In this video, I'm unboxing and doing a review of these Boltune headphones, so stay tuned. Hey everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today I am taking a look at another set of Bluetooth headphones, and these are active noise canceling headphones from a company called Boltune. And I did a review of one of their other pairs of headphones a few months ago, so definitely take a look in the card above to learn more about that set of headphones. And this is a new set, right? So this is something that they sent me, and I do appreciate, again, when companies send me stuff to take a look at. More than happy to do an unboxing, initial review, kind of get a feel for the product, and kind of let all of you guys out there on YouTube, know about this stuff. So, again, super happy to do that. And we're basically going to take a look at these. And these you can get on Amazon. And I will also link to more information about them in the description. So just kind of open this up and see how it goes. And then I'll, as typical with the way that I do most of these reviews, I'll do the unboxing here, take an initial look at the product, show what it looks like on my head, again, because people always want to know what do the headphones look like, how do they fit. And then I'll follow up on the computer with my thoughts and feedback after using them for a week or so, right? So I'll use these in a bunch of different scenarios like I have always done. So listening to music, taking conference calls, just everyday things you would do with a set of headphones that you might be looking for. So we'll follow that typical pattern with this review as well. So if we open this up, basically just inside the box you have a plastic wrapped case with the headphones. Kind of open that up and have a nice case, right? So Boltune logo there on the front, hard shell case, and this is what it looks like on the inside. So you get your typical little user manual, and the model on these is the Boltune BT-BH011, 011. So that's BT-BH011. And what do you get here? So you'll get a few things in this little package. You get a Boltune, thank you for your purchase. How do you register your product? How do you register your product warranty? Some support numbers, emails, etc. You get a micro USB charging cable. You get your typical aux cable for plugging into your phone if your phone happens to have a headphone jack, which nobody has anymore without using some sort of adapter. And then you also have kind of this airline adapter. I don't really see too many companies giving you these anymore. I think there might have been one in my Bose headphones, but you get that as well. And we'll just take a quick look here at the instructions. Basically, it talks about your power buttons, your next track, previous track, volume up, down, the 3.5mm audio port, power indicator, LED, microphone, charging indicator, active noise cancellation button, etc. So just, basic multi-language user guide. Hopefully these won't be too complicated. And right away, I really like the feel of these. Now, if you saw the other Boltune ones, they were more plastic. in their construction, or harder plastic. This has a real nice kind of aluminum metal feel to it. So I believe, so this piece right here, this might be plastic, I think, but this is metal. This arm is metal. This part here is metal. I can't tell. I think this part is plastic. So it's a combination of metal and plastic. Very flexible headband. Yeah, it's really easy to kind of adjust, or kind of moves. It's very flexible. Has that kind of pleather, fake leather kind of material there, very soft. Same thing goes for the ear pads. These are actually really soft. Yeah, really, really soft, which is nice. Get the left, the right. So very nice. Has a little bit of tension here when you do this, so they're not flopping around. So it does take a little bit of effort to kind of turn these. But that's nice. I do like the fact that this part is made out of metal. Often on other headphones, and it has a nice positive click too. I don't know if you can hear this. Very positive clicking retention system there. Yeah, and so here's all the buttons and all that stuff. I'm assuming this is the active noise cancellation switch. So it's basically on or off. Some LED, microphone, volume up, power, all those sort of things are where you might expect them. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on. So I have these on, as you can see. Sorry, hair's all messed up. But they do fit all the way over my ears, right? So these are not kind of on your ear. These kind of fully fit over your ears. Yeah, they don't look too bad. They actually look pretty nice. So that's a little bit of what they look like. So like I said, I'm going to stop recording myself with my phone. So yeah, so like I said, so that's what they look like on my head, kind of what they look like when you wear them. So like I said early on, I'll do my typical thing with these, and I'll go ahead and test them out for the week, and just kind of see what the experience is like, what the sound is like, how well they work for telephone calls and all of that. And I will finish up the review on the computer. So I will see you over there. So I've been using these for about a week. I think actually it's been 8 days. And I really like these headphones. These are really, really good. Very similar to the other Boltune headphones I did review before, meaning they have very good noise cancellation and they sound really good as well. So kind of comparable in that sense. And overall, just a really nice set of headphones. Very comfortable, very lightweight, all of that. So I definitely think these are worth considering if you're in the market for a set of noise canceling headphones. So I'll go over a few of the specs of these because I didn't really talk about that early on when I was unboxing them and trying them on. And then I'll just give you a quick summary of my thoughts. So from a battery perspective and playtime, Boltune is advertising a 30-hour playtime with fast charging, and that includes a 680 milliamp hour battery that can charge within less than an hour. And if you charge it for 5 minutes, that will give you about 2 hours of use. So pretty quick charging, just from a perspective of getting going if the battery is low. So that's great. They are saying that they have upgraded hybrid active noise cancellation technology. And that's one thing I really liked about this, because it did have really good noise cancellation qualities. Very close to being, I kind of hold my
Bose Quiet Comfort 35s as like the gold standard for me, because those are the best headphones that I own from a noise cancellation perspective. And these are very close. The other Boltune headphones and some other ones I've reviewed in the past have been close to the Bose in terms of noise cancellation, but these are the closest. Now, they also have 45 millimeter large aperture drivers for the headphones themselves, and that does give really good sound quality and pretty deep bass, right? So if you like bass and kind of that punchy sound, you'll definitely like these. And really, I mean, over the course of the week, I've listened to a bunch of music. I used them on a bunch of phone calls. I had no problems with any of those. So all in all, I really do like these. I don't really have too much more to say about them other than they're a great set of headphones. So if you're in the market for some headphones and you've looked at some of the other ones maybe I've done some reviews on in the past, definitely take a look at these. And if I had to give them a rating and I was looking at sub $100 sets of headphones, I would definitely rate these a 5 out of 5. Build quality, sound quality, everything is awesome with these. So I will leave a link below to these on Amazon. If you have any questions or comments or whatever, go ahead and drop those below. This is Andrew from TS for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.